Miracle. We just heard some deer running through here. Running around. Oh, that's new. That wasn't laying here the other day, Miracle. Something new in the woods. He's got to leave his Miracle mark on it. Yeah. That was not here the other day. Anyway, we came out here to see if we can see the deer. And Miracle hates deer. He doesn't understand deer. He doesn't like deer. He doesn't want anything to do with deer. He's like, what are those big things? Come here, Miracle. Come here. Let's go. Go over that. Come on. I know you like it. You're like, oh, yeah, meow. Okay. He's in slow mode today. Come on, Miracle. Let's pick up the pace. Come on. Let's see if we can find the deer. They're out here somewhere. But I don't like them. I don't want to find them. Oh, he's getting fine, good. That's all it's good. I always like a faster pace. He likes a slower pace. But you're going to accommodate your mommy today, aren't you, Miracle? Yeah. Maybe he'll climb again. Let's see if I can get him interested in his tree bridge. He loved that thing when he first found it. Now, no. No. You don't like it anymore, do you, Miracle? Let's see if you'll go up there today, Miracle. There it is. It's in sight. Come on. Oh, he's twisting around me. Okay. So many good smells to smell. Come on, Miracle, come on. Come on, look, look. Oh. The sun's going down. Listen to the sounds. I love those sounds. Come here, Miracle. Come here. Come here. Oh, he's going up it! Yay! He still likes the tree bridge. We ain't to it yet, but... There he is. There's Miracle. He's definitely interested in something back there. Okay. Oh, I don't want him to get away. Last time I let him walk all the way to the end of that bridge, he got away. Got in a fight with a great big tabby cat, and it cost me $238. So, you know, I'm holding on to that leash. So nice out here this time of day. He hasn't been up here in a while. He used to love that. Oh. Not focusing. There we go. There's Miracle. Look, look. He's very interested in something. Look at his tail. He knows the deer are near. They're very close. Look at that intensity. He always knows when the deer are close by. That's as far as we're going, Miracle. Thanks for watching, everyone.